Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sanjay Pakar, Associate Professor, Department of Geography. Dear student, I welcome all of you in this online lecture series on behalf of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as K Teaching College Nasik. Dear student, this is our SYBSC Geography class, semester 4, and title of our subject is Environmental Geography Part 2. Dear student, in this lecture, we are going to discuss our topic number 4, that is environmental program and policy. And in this topic, we have a subtopic that is tiger conservation in India. Dear student, in last lecture, we have discussed detailed information about Sustainable Development Summit of New York 2015. Dear student, for today's lecture, we have study objective that is to discuss detail about the tiger conservation project in India. The government of India has taken several steps and the project for conservation of environment in India because during that period we was facing a lot of environmental problem in India, and that time the conservation of the environment was badly required, and for that purpose the government of India has launched the various projects and the program to conserve the environment of India. Among them, one very important project was Tiger Project. The Project Tiger was administered by National Tiger Conservation Authority of India. Dear student, today the country has 17% of the world tiger population and the tally stand at 2,967. That is really very important things about India. The Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India during Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's tenure, and she always take lead to carry out or the implement such type of program during that day. The Project Tiger aim at protection of tigers, especially of Royal Bengal tiger, and reduce the factor that result in decrease of population of tiger in India. This project continue to do everything possible to protect and save the tiger in India. The reduce the factor that lead to depletion of tiger habitats and to migrate them by suitable management. Dear student, you know that the first project Tiger was launched in April 1973 at Jim Corbett National Park in the state of Uttarakhand. And currently, we have 50 tiger reservoirs are located in all over the country. These 50 tiger reservoirs are governed by Project Tiger, that is administered by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA in India. Dear student, the population of the tiger in country has increased considerably after establishment of the project, and which we was expected when we started or launched this project in India. And the outcome of this project was really very good because number of tiger in India was increased on a large scale. A field director is appointed during this project for each reservoir who is assisted overall administration of the project, and that is also useful for increase the or the success of this project. Dear student, you know that every 4 years the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA, conduct a tiger census across India. The first census was conducted in 2006, and after that again the census was conducted in 2010, 2015, and latest we carried out, that is the census of 2018. As per this census, in this table the data is given in which state how many tigers are available. Overall, as per the 2018 census, we have 2,967 number of tiger that we have available in India. The highest tiger was recorded in Madhya Pradesh and it was 526. Then we have the Karnataka where we have 524. In Uttarakhand we have number of tiger 442, and India rank 4 in Maharashtra, which is this state is rank 4 in India with 370 number of tiger that are available. Then we have the Tamil Nadu where we have 264, in Assam 190, same in Kerala, that is 190, in Uttar Pradesh we have 173, in Rajasthan we have 91, West Bengal 88, Andhra Pradesh 48, BR 31, and Arunachal Pradesh 29, Odisha 28, Chhattisgarh 19, Jharkhand 5, and last we have the Goa 3. Overall, we have recorded number of tiger in India 2,967. This is the outcome of the project that we implemented in India. Dear student, why the decline the tiger was recorded in India? There are a number of causes. Let us talk about the few causes among them which are responsible for decline the number of tiger in India. That is first is very important, that is human activity. Dear student, due to human activity, the tiger population has lost its habitat at the many places in India due to the mining activity, construction of the road, cutting of the trees, and bring most part of the forest area under the agriculture and other purpose. Therefore, there was the natural loss of the habitat, which was very important to surveil the tiger. But due to the human activity, that area we destroy, and that is the affect negatively on the decline the tiger number of tiger in India. That was the first activity, the human activity. Let us talk the another important reason that are responsible for decline the number of tiger in India, and that is the illegal trade. Dear student, in India, hunting of the tiger is a huge issue faced by the tiger population from ancient time. The people use the bones, teeth, and the other various part of the tiger's body for commercial purpose, which can also be named as illegal trade. And therefore, some agent and the private company carried out the illegal trade of these things, and for that purpose, to fulfill this need, the local people and some tribal people are engaged hunting of the tiger in that area, and therefore this is the main reason to decline the number of tiger at that particular region. So therefore, this was about the illegal trade, which is also one very important factor that contribute the decline the number of tiger in India. Then we have the hunting for the medicine purpose. Dear student, this is also very important causes that are also responsible to decline the number of tiger in India. You know that some medicine company are used as a raw material of the part of the body of the tiger for medicine, and the body of parts of the tiger are used for the medicine purpose also cause, because to fulfill the need of these, some local people, some tribal people has carried out the hunting on a large scale, and therefore it has caused the utmost decline in the tiger population since 1930, and it was continue near about the 50 to 60 years. And therefore, during this period, a lot of tiger was died or killed by these local people only for provide the raw material from this body of the tiger to the medicine company. Therefore, this is also a very important cause that was responsible for decline the number of tiger in India. We have another important cause, that deforestation. This is the main cause of destruction of the natural habitat of the tiger in India. Because when the human being in India carried out the deforestation activity for the many purpose, it may be the for the construction of the building, or construction of the roads, construction of the project, or maybe widening the road size, or maybe the mining activity, or the area, bring the area under the forest, or maybe for industry purpose. When we use the area of the forest for this various purpose, that time deforestation happen, and when the deforestation is happen, that is directly affect on the loss of the natural habitat that we require for the survival of the tiger. And therefore, due to the deforestation activity, there was a loss of the natural habitat which was required for the tiger in India. Another very important human activity, that is the loss of grazing. The grazing animal is also very important activity that is also at some extent responsible for decline the tiger, because in near about the we have 17 state where we have this natural habitat that are naturally very useful for the survival of the tiger. But when the surrounding area of this natural reservoir, when the people carried out the grazing activity for fulfill the need of their cattle, that time there is always destruction in this natural habitat, and area under the forest is also declined, especially at the border of that particular reservoirs. Therefore, this is also very important. So due to the human activity, such type of the activity, that whole life of the tiger is disturbed, and that indirectly affect the decline the population of the tiger in that particular area. Then other one natural reason for the destruction of the forest, that is the forest fire. Actually, it is a natural thing. Especially the in the month of May, April, May, we observe such time the forest fire events are repeatedly happen in the part of the various part of the forest in India. And during that fire, the some lions are some tiger is damaged, or some or died due to the natural this reason. Therefore, these are the six major reasons they are responsible to for the decline the number of tiger in India. And if you want to control such something, and for that purpose, only the government of India started or launched this project. And in this project, so many the measures that are applied to control the decline number of tiger in India, and the conserve the tiger in India. The first very important measure that was implemented or the carried out in this project, it was the wireless communication system have been developed within the tiger reservoir, due to which the poaching or the hunting has declined considerably, because on this immediately we can able to caught that or punish that particular man, the guilty man who is responsible for killing the tiger or the hunting the tiger. So that can be possible, because the message can be immediately convey from one place to another place. If any the worker is observed that there is some illegal act is on, or maybe some the hunting is on, then immediately that man can be able to caught due to the wireless communication message. So therefore, this is a very important measure that was applied in this project. Another important thing, forest fire protection. This is also very important, because I just mentioned that the forest fire was the main cause to destruction the natural habitat of the tiger. And therefore, in this project, the forest fire protection was effectively done by the applying the suitable preventive and the control measures, and that was also useful to increase the number of the tiger in India. Then we have very important, livestock grazing has been controlled to a great extent in the tiger reservation. For that purpose, the awareness program was carried out by this forest department of India, and even they communicate with the local people. They communicate with these people and explain them what is the importance of the conservation of the tiger as a part of the ecosystem, and it is a very important as a part of the diversity. And some people are agree with they agree, and they participate in this conservation program. They support and help to government. Therefore, this measure is also very important proof for the success of this project. Then we have the another important measure, GIS based digital database developed for the new tiger habitat survey and the population evaluation system. And that is also, this is a very important, because GIS based technique is very important to take the data and the information about the movement of the tiger from one place to another place, or if anybody is doing some guilty or the illegal work, then that can be able to find through the GIS system. And especially if the tiger is across the its habitat or the border of the reservoir, then it was possible to search again this tiger and bring him into this reservoir again. So therefore, GIS technique was really very useful technique that was support to conserve the tiger and success of this project in India. Then where the important thing, the main reason for the decline in the population of the Indian tiger was lack of proper prey and the forest for their survival. But government India providing suitable habitat with the availability of the prey and the water body and so many things that which are required for the survival of the tiger, that was provided through this project in that particularly natural habitat where we have the number of tiger is on a large scale. So therefore, this project was success, or maybe this very important measure that was really support to increase the number of tiger in India. The initiative has been taken to brought the participation of the local people, and their participation has made the habitat to revive. So that is very important to protect the natural habitat. It can only possible with the help of the local people, that maybe the tribal people or maybe the local people that are living very around or very close to this natural habitat. So therefore their support, government of India can able to success or implement this project on a level. Dear students, the use of information technology in the wild crime prevention is also used in this project, and therefore with help of the GPS they can able to detect the crime, and immediately they can able to stop or control this crime when it was happened, because through the GPS it was very easy to detect such type of the illegal action of the people which are involved in this activity of decline or the damage the natural habitat of the lions. Dear student, the government of India has taken initiative to saving the tiger under the Tiger Project, and outcome of that tiger number are increasing in the various states of India. Especially, I am talking about the state like Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, showing increasing the number of tiger, and that is a really good output of this project. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. If you want to get more information about this topic, then you can use this reference book, as well as these are the website where you can download a lot of information about this project, and you can update your notes. Dear student, this was about today's lecture. In next lecture, we are going to talk about the another important program that was implemented by the government of Maharashtra, that is 33 crore plantation tree, which is a really very important program and success program of Maharashtra. It will be discussed in the next lecture. Okay.